Hey, is that paper and pencil?
Oh, this? This is my drawing paper. Do you want to draw cars with me?
Yes!
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, let's draw some vehicles. Pull out your crayons and draw with me. We're gonna start with a car. So we'll do a 4 right here. And we're doing a circle for the wheel. And then we're gonna get some space there. 1, 2, 2.5, and 2. Now the wheel here. Draw the bottom. And we'll draw the front of the vehicle. Bring this back. Then top of the vehicle. And another straight line. Do some lights here. They have the door. This is a 2-seater. Like here. And the back window. And the back lights. One more circle. The hubtop. And there you have it. A car. What else do I draw? Ooh, you know what? We can do a motorcycle. Let's start with the floor. And let's draw the front wheel a little bigger. And then draw another wheel about here. I'm gonna draw the bottom of it. Another circle. Area for the C. Draw the area for the lights. The console. And contain the seat. Then we have the handles. Okay, there you have it. We have a motorcycle. Next up, we can draw a... You know what? Let's do a truck. Alright, let's draw the floor. And we'll draw a tire. And then we're going to give another tire owner here. Bottom of the vehicle. And about just behind the wheel here. We get the front of the truck. And go back. And this is going to be a two-door truck. And draw the bed of it right back here. Draw the windows. Split it down the middle. Door handles. Here for the lights. And one more circle. Okay, there you have it. We have a truck. Thank you for drawing with me. I can't wait to draw with you again.
What a great episode!
Oh man, I had so much fun at that car museum watching Koji go around there. I learned a lot about motorcycles and trucks.
You too, Jax. I learned a lot about all the different types of cars and things like that out there, so thank you guys.
And Koji did such a great job. I learned a lot.
All right,
friends.
bye, friends.